Hello. So in this video, we're going to be looking at Headlime. So this is an AI-powered tool. It's focused on copywriting. And this will just be a short video giving you some of the tools that you can use from it, and give you some kind of background information as well as maybe a little bit of a review. So Headlime, it's focused on copywriting. You can see you have options for blog posts, marketing copy, a landing page for your business webpage, scripts, documents, and then inspiration. So kind of showing maybe a little bit more of what that looks like. Your marketing copy, look at these are some of the different things you can try. So you can look at a tagline, article headline, website sub headline, Facebook primary, Facebook link description, Google Ads headline or the description. You can do rewrite, e-commerce e-commerce product description, sentence rewrite, or rewriting difficult text into simpler concepts. So that could be really helpful if you have something very technical and need it to be written in an easy to understand language. Scripts. So these are a bunch of different scripts that they'll write for you. So for example, social media, email, survey questions, Facebook ads, and so on. Documents. So you could even do legal documents. That could be extremely helpful for a small business that doesn't really have money for a lawyer, a blog, a cold call, inspiration. So this is something where it will give you some ideas, help you with that. And that's kind of what they're really doing. So there's a ton of different things here. Let's kind of look at one. Maybe that's something simpler. We can just do Google this. This is something I've already done. So you'll see it's produced these different things. So I'm looking at a Google Ads headline for a ChatGPT masterclass. And so boost productivity, make fast decisions, unleash your creativity. Get started with ChatGPT, become a Google expert in minutes. So what you can do is you can select all if you wanted all of them. You could just select a few. You can also favorite ones. So if you thought those were really good, you can select a couple. And then you can also, let's say you had 100 selected or whatever, you can actually export it as a text or a CVS. So that gives you some stuff. Now, if you want to create more, so I change up this stuff, it will have cost 1 and you get 300 credits for the free trial. So it gives you a lot of opportunity to try out the tool before you actually have to purchase. Speaking of purchasing, we can click on this. So they give you a 7 days for $7. And then after that, it's $59 a month for the individual plan. So that includes 1,500 AI credits a month and all features are included. Whereas the business plan, this is $400 a month. So definitely only for a little bit of a larger business, maybe. That's 300 credits during the trial. But then after that, you have unlimited usage and then you have pretty much everything you could want. Okay. So maybe a little expensive, especially for that upper tier, but definitely some helpful features. So you can also look at the blog post. So I'll click on this. And so you can hit create your first blog. So here you need to make sure you have a certain number of words. So this is a tech daily news update that will give the daily news for every day. Focus on AI, other news. Okay. So generate some ideas. So here is giving you some of this. So maybe I just hit this. Generate introductions. So this is a introduction as well. So you can see it gives you this. Maybe we select this one. Okay. And so this gives me this blog content, right? Maybe I want to output the length a bit, so that would shorten it out, or I could do a lot. Obviously, you need to add a little bit more here to make it this. I could make it longer. Oops. Okay. So I could maybe highlight this section here and I can hit longer. And so then I can add that. So adding more stuff here, right? So this is nice because it's kind of giving you the chance. So I'll go back to all blogs. It's giving you a chance to write that blog post just using AI, kind of just putting in the ideas. You can also make websites, download it as an HTML. So there's a ton of product pitch, right? There's a ton of different things, all very marketing geared. And that gives you a ton of different things that you can work on. So definitely an interesting tool, could be extremely helpful, especially if you're really struggling with your copywriting, all that stuff. So it's definitely something to check out. Make sure you check out the link. It is an affiliate link, so you can kind of support me in that way. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can just search for Headlime and find it pretty easily. So let me know if you have any questions or need to know more about this tool. Thanks so much.